Getting a Discord update failed error can be frustrating. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step on how to fix it and get back to chatting without any interruptions. Save your work and restart your computer first. After that, check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection and try disconnecting and reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or switch to a wired connection. Also disable Windows Defender Firewall. Go ahead, open Settings, then simply search for Control Panel. From this section, go to Windows Defender Firewall, that is below Sync Center. Now on the left, tap on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off for both private and public networks. Also try updating the Discord again and clear the Discord cache. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Then simply search for %app-data%. Hit enter. From this page, simply go ahead and search for Discord application and delete the Discord folder. Try updating Discord again and rename and update the file. You can also try uninstalling it. Go to your browser, search for Discord official website and download the latest version of Discord from the official website and install Discord again. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.